I just want to make a quick video of how to remove the light bulbs on this 2009 Dodge Challenger. All you simply do is pull on this here and lift it out. Lift it from here, move this to the side. Do the same thing to this other side. Go ahead and just move it out of there. You might need both hands, might not. And the way you remove the light bulb, there it is. You also have access to the amber light, the turning signal. Just reach in there, you twist downward towards you, and you pull out the light bulb. I just replaced these light bulbs. I just wanted to make a video of how to go ahead and remove them. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in. Process is the same. Put it in, twist in, it locks, there it is. Now you come to the driver's side. You twist that way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Pull it out. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and stick this one back in. Secure it. Put these panels back together. Simply slide it in. Make sure these line up. Like I said, you might need both hands. And there it is. Slide that into place like so. Grab the next one and slide that in just like so. Slide it in here and through there, and just put everything back down. There it is. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, and there it is, just like brand new. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is the size number, just in case you guys are wondering. 9008s or H13s. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.